Closings at Proinkshop, March 9, 2025. Got the HP officejet Pro 8710 printer that doesn't print the black color having a strap line on it. Customer asked me to repair this printer, so let's test it. He said he ran the printer cleaning a few times from the printer, still having a strap lines on it, and he never used any non-HP cartridges according to the customer. Okay, I see the. Actually, it's more like a printhead dried up. It's got used 31,000 pages, 31,741 pages been used. The last firmware update on 2023 August 1st week. Let's run the printhead cleaning, see what's going on. Oops. Yeah, it's getting more worse. It's worse than the first print. So I'm gonna unclog the printhead and the lens the printhead, and see what else I can do. What other works I can do on a 952 printhead. Okay. Of the chipboard. Yeah, I'm gonna legal. It's not really necessary right now because it wasn't really peeled off, but this controls the air pressure. Is to bring the air into the chamber, but when this binder got loosed up, then you get like cartridge flip problem. But it's almost like start like getting peeling off. So I'm just gonna let go of this one also. So it's not really related to the head problem, but like, you know. I'm gonna do this for the customers, so they don't have the flip problem later. See, UV glue, I'm applying all of the place the edges, except the little tiny hole right here in the middle. '8710s are like about 7 or 8 years old printers, so like within a couple years, most of the 87 printer users gonna have the same having a issue on the cartridge bleed problem. So you're getting like a cartridge display problem, even though your cartridge put in or you can still in there and showing display message on it, this is a problem. So you just fix this, put it back on, glue it and put it back on, or either replace this part. I have a part for sale, $20. It's already fixed up. It looks easy, but it's kind of like complicated job. I'll find my tweezer. Most important thing on this job is put it back on the same position where it was. So oh shit. Now I'm gonna pull out all the leftover and clean the chamber. I don't feel any tensions on the colors, either black. It just might be dried up, or yeah, it looks like it's dried up. It's some just gonna give some cleaning solution. This is a pigment cleaning solution. It's not a chemical cleaning solution. Natural cleaning solution. Okay, yeah, it looks fine. It just dried up on the timber. When it's just, it's not really like straight line, that means like it's dried up, so what you can do is just, you don't even have to clean this up. Just little wet paper towel, fold them up and just put some little warm water, and then put the printhead on top of there for like 30 seconds to 1 minute. Let it absorb all the ink from the chamber, and then just put it back on and put it back to work. But ever since customer request for the repair, so I'm doing my job. So can clog on the colors. That's it. So just put it back on. And $950, $952, $62, $962, $936, and $711 printers has all same looking, and you know, same way to repair. So you know, if you have the proper tools like these chamber clips and the injection tips, and you know, the syringes and you know, right cleaning solution, is pretty easy to fix. But a lot of people like, you know, using the wrong materials and tools, so they fail to repair the printhead. 8710 printers is very strong printer. You can print out up to over 300,000 pages. I've seen some of the printers. I mean, if you keep on maintaining them well, you can print up 300,000 pages easy without any break, you know, the broken. Most of the printer problems are by the printhead. You know, when you use the wrong ink or wrong cartridges, it happens. Or even the genuine cartridge, you know, it clogs. So it's just a must-have item if you're using this one. If you wanna keep on, you know, like maintain in your printers and using it, it's pretty good printer to using a refill cartridge. And strong printer as well. Let's put it back into the printer. Let's print it up on the printhead. I'm out of magenta, so I'm going to refill this cartridge. Just give me a second. These are the refill cartridge, some of them. I'm using a pigment ink from made in Korea. It's pretty much about 99% comparable with the HP original ink cartridge. Use cartridge installed, empty. I refilled the magenta empty one, so it shows empty cartridge. One of the printer has been updated on 2023, so this printer cannot use the old generation cartridge. Old generation cartridge means like the cartridge, the warranty expiration date on before 2021. Those are considered as old generation, so it cannot be used on a update printer. So I'm gonna take the sign out. I have sign collect here. Yeah, it's 2018. This is 2024. Okay. This carton is stored. I'll run the printhead cleaning one time. 아니야. Okay, the print, I was pausing the video because it takes too long. The print cleaning done and have no lines at all, and just color pages. It's not perfect, so and now I'm gonna let the customer pick it up. Mostly this repair job is not that hard when you have a right proper tools and then materials. So don't be afraid to fix your printer by yourself. It's not that hard. If you need any tech support, 909-815-6681. Or if you need to buy any of those the materials or tools that I've been used, visit my website www.proinkshop.com, proinkshop.com. Might be not listed up yet, but we're working on it right now. But if you can't find anything you need, just text me 909-815-6681. Thank you for watching my video. Bye.